This house was born hidden. Not in a forest, not on a perfect site. It was built behind the parents' house, on a lot with little light, little ventilation, and almost no views outward. Nam Da House is located in Nam Da, in Lâm Dong Province, Vietnam, within a multi-generational family compound. That detail changes everything. The house does not begin with a spectacular gesture. It begins with a very real condition. How do you create a bright, ventilated, and intimate home when the site is partially blocked by another house? The answer was not to open large facades. It was to open the center. In the middle of the house, a garden becomes the heart. It brings natural light inside, improves ventilation, brings vegetation closer to daily life, and connects the living room, kitchen, and bedrooms around a shared space. Instead of depending on exterior views, the house creates its own landscape from within. That is why the central garden is not decoration. It is the solution that makes the house breathe. Where the lot could have produced a dark and closed construction, here they created a void, and this void organizes life around it. The house has a compact area, about 1,130 square feet, and was built with a modest budget, familiar techniques, and local labor. Its strength is not in expensive materials or in a striking form. It is in the precision of its decisions, opening where air was missing, shading where the sun was strong, preserving what already existed, and creating privacy without breaking the family bond. The low, red tile roof plays an important role. Its sloped form recalls vernacular buildings from Vietnam's central highlands. The house is contemporary, but it does not try to completely erase the memory of the place. At first glance, Nam Da House may seem like just a simple house of concrete, wood, and red roof tiles, but when observed more carefully, it reveals something more precise. A house that found comfort not despite its restrictions, but through them. The materiality follows a direct logic. Exposed concrete, brick, wood, glass, aluminum, and clay roof tiles form a simple and understandable architecture. Concrete gives structure. Wood warms the spaces. Glass brings the interiors closer to the garden. The roof tiles create shade and familiarity. And vegetation softens everything. Nothing here seems made to impress quickly. Nam Da House works through small, well-placed adjustments. A front patio to negotiate the relationship with the family, a garden in the center to bring in light and air, a low roof to protect, a preserved tree to keep memory and shade. At the front, a patio creates the transition between the new house and the parents' house. It brings the family closer, but also preserves a boundary. Between this patio and the central garden, Namda House finds its own intimacy. One of the most beautiful gestures is in the existing tree. The house did not remove the tree to fit on the site. It opened the roof to let the tree pass through. In the end, Namda House is a house about adaptation. Garden as heart, patio as transition, roof as shade, tree as memory, concrete as structure, wood as warmth. It shows that a good house does not need to be born from an ideal site. Sometimes the most important gesture is knowing where not to build, leaving a void at the center, allowing air to pass through, preserving a tree, creating shade, and transforming a difficult condition into a brighter, fresher, and more human home.